Bob, this is Gene, and I'm on the surface. And as I take man's last step from the surface, I'd like to just let what I believe history will record that America's challenge of today has forged man's destiny of tomorrow. And as we leave the moon in Taurus literal, we leave as we came, and God willing, as we shall return.
The time has come to look beyond brief encounters. We must commit ourselves anew to a sustained program of manned exploration of the solar system, and yes, the permanent settlement of space. To seize this opportunity, I'm not proposing a 10-year plan like Apollo. I'm proposing a long-range, continuing commitment. First, for the coming decade, for the 1990s, space station freedom, our critical next step in all our space endeavors, and next, for the new century, back to the moon, back to the future, and this time, back to stay. And then a journey into tomorrow, a journey to another planet, a manned mission to Mars.
Nearly 20 years ago, the last American astronauts left their footprints on the lunar surface.
Okay, I got 2 feet per second. I'm at 100.
3, 2, 1, 0. Booster ignition and liftoff of Columbia.
Since that time, America has undertaken several new space programs.
Roger, roll, Columbia.
For the next few moments, several potential concepts for America's next space exploration initiative will be presented. Each of these concepts depicts a different thematic approach to this initiative, from bold flights of discovery to human settlements on the Moon and Mars. Emphasizing bold and adventurous missions of discovery to both the Moon and Mars, this first theme captures the essence of the human spirit. This spirited vision is balanced by a pragmatic and purposeful approach to exploration, gaining knowledge for later informed decisions of when, where, and how to establish permanent human outposts on other worlds. Continuing in the tradition established by Ferdinand Magellan and Lewis and Clark, the explorers on these missions will map new worlds, locate important resources, push back frontiers, and bring this information back to support eventual human expansion into the solar system. Unlike their predecessors, these explorers work together with robotic counterparts who perform geologic prospecting, autonomous experiments, and sample return missions, extending the access of humans into remote regions. Initially, resources are focused on planetary exploration, not on establishing permanent human surface settlements. This investment in exploration opens the door to establishing these human settlements more efficiently, allowing settlers to better take advantage of the natural features and resources of their new worlds. Exploration of the Moon and Mars at a global scale provides the foundation for determining what resources are available on the planetary surfaces. Subsequent engineering demonstrations will refine the techniques for extracting those resources and learning how to use them. Human expeditions to Mars capture the same exploration intensity exhibited by the lunar missions. Multiple human landings on the surface of Mars occur during each mission from Earth, providing the explorers access to several different regions of the planet. These expeditions to Mars can occur after human exploration of the Moon is well underway, or highly visible manned missions to Mars can precede humans returning to the Moon, setting the stage for ensuing exploration of both planetary bodies. This theme combines man's need to explore the unknown with a commitment to establishing the foundation for human expansion into the solar system. The next theme focuses on a pathway that leads to establishing long-duration science outposts on the Martian surface. These outposts will operate much like the present-day research stations in Antarctica, studying in detail geographic areas on Mars that offer the highest science research potential, such as the extensive Rift Valley systems, volcanic shields, and ancient dry lake beds. This theme begins with missions to the Moon, using both robotic and human explorers. Information gathered during these explorations will determine the best site for locating a manned lunar outpost. Once established, this outpost serves as a test bed, allowing astronauts to simulate future Mars surface activities, while learning how to live and work in a low-gravity environment. Additionally, this outpost will serve as a base for research into lunar geology, astrophysics, and experimental life sciences. Once confidence in extraterrestrial capabilities has been gained, the effort shifts to the challenging long-duration missions to Mars. Candidate sites for several Martian science outposts will be selected which represent widely diverse environments and offer the highest potential for extended research missions. Once a site is chosen for a mission, cargo and piloted vehicles will land, and the crew will construct the outpost. While not a permanent base, this science outpost provides the crew with a long-duration facility from which investigations into atmospheric dynamics, Martian geology, and exobiology can be pursued. At the outset, this theme uses proven technology and operations, allowing near-term missions to the Moon and Mars. It also encourages continuing research into advanced technologies. These technologies can then be incorporated into later missions to expand the outpost and to enrich the scientific return. This theme represents a strategy in which the planetary outposts can evolve into international scientific bases, research laboratories, or large-scale settlements. Much like the settlers who colonized America during the 17th century, the adventurers selected for missions in this last theme will Or these first colonies can serve as the initial stepping stone to other planets. This theme provides the building blocks for future human immigration outward into the solar system. That human expansion away from Earth guarantees that mankind will become a true spacefaring people. The exploration themes just presented are representative of possible approaches to the Space Exploration Initiative. Whatever path is chosen, the pioneering spirit of the explorers and settlers who venture forth to live on other worlds will inspire and fascinate the people of Earth.